Who's probably the oldest person in here, do we think?
51.
51. Is 51 to, there's a 54?
Right here. No, there's not.
You said 52?
He said 52.
Yeah, that's less. We're looking for more.
56.
Oh, shit. Oh, did he not hear me? When I asked who was older. What is your name?
Bob.
What is it?
Bob.
Bob?
Yeah.
Great to meet you, Bob. Not Robert. Bob.
Well, you can call me Robert. That's fine.
Oh, you have an accent. Oh, boy. Where are you from?
England.
Yeah. Is anybody else not from here? Like country-wise? That sounded fake. That sounded like a white person pretending to be a Mexican. You know what? Who said that? Nice, man.
How about Alabama?
It might as well be a different country, huh? Man, they say Alabama people are dumb. It didn't say you couldn't even read the room. Jesus Christ. What is your name, sir? What? Hold on. What is it? Rael?
Nobody can pronounce it.
Just did. What's that?
41.
I didn't even ask you, dog. I'm not the police, dog. Like, you don't need to start just giving me information. Like, when did you come up here?
25 years ago.
25 years ago. For what reason specifically?
I got brought here.
You got what? You got brought here? Guys, I thought we stopped doing that. Not okay, Portland. Not okay. Man, they brought you here to run the only Taco Bell in the city. They were like, it's gotta be authentic. Gotta be. Who brought you here, man?
My parents.
Oh, dude. You gotta say that. I thought you were napped. I don't know how old he was, but I don't know if he was a kid or not. Still would have happened, but you can still be napped. Do you go back home to Mexico often?
No, not really. I don't like it.
That's fair. I've been to Mexico a few times. It's run by dogs. Dude, if you've ever been to Mexico, it's nothing but stray dogs and one kind of car. What do you like? What is something you would love to do? If you could do anything in the entire world to celebrate your retirement, what would you do?
I don't know. Have more dogs. Okay.
Did you say have more dogs? I told you dogs run that fucking country. That Sarah McLachlan commercial was a goddamn campaign over there, dude. Right? That's the cutest fucking thing I've ever heard. Oh, man. Hawaii is fucking awesome. Rael, have you been to Hawaii?
Never.
You what?
I can blend in.
As long as you don't talk. Yeah. 100%. Real question. If you had to be made love to, would you rather you get a stranger? It could be any. It could be that dude. It could be that.
Okay, we pick another dude.
It's Rael.
Oh yeah.
No.
He's Hispanic. He's gonna cook me breakfast in the morning.
Oh man, Rael would suck your dick with tahini on it, dog. That would be crazy. But if you had to, would you rather be made love to by either a stranger on the streets of Portland, forcing themselves upon you, or if it was me? Which would be more uncomfortable?
Portland!
I'm your boy.
Portland! Yes!
Wait, am I the bottom?
Yeah.
In both cases?
Yeah.
In both cases, I'm the bottom.
Yeah.
Ronald, how big's your penis?
We all waited. What the fuck is wrong with y'all, dude? We all waited for him to say how big his dick was. What the fuck is wrong with y'all, man?
He was like, wait, I don't know, bro. I feel like if you fucked me.
And I would.
I don't know, but the thing is, bro, like you would always like hang that shit over my head.
That's how I would do it.
Well, let me ask you that same question.
That's not fun. Come up with your own. Yeah, man.
Matt, if you were to have sex on
Okay.
by either a stranger on the street,
Don't do it.
or the British dude over there.
Oh, that dude for sure. Oh, yeah. Fun fact, when a British dude comes inside you, it's called a shepherd's pie. Oh, that's bloody well good, isn't it? That's bloody well good, isn't it? Oh, it's in it. It's in it.
I was trying to figure out a way to put Brexit in there, but I couldn't. I'm still thinking. I can't.
I'll think of something.
You will?
Yeah,
Also,
at some
can
point.
we talk about? Oh, she's not here. When she gets back, I'm talking about this. You guys call him Daddy Rife. That's insane to me, dude. Retire, fuck you. This is a boy.
Yo, Alex literally. No, you literally. Alex can't grow hair. Yeah, get the fuck out of here, dog. Yo, Alex's hair took a Brexit.
No.